What brings you up to Canada today?
We're on our way to Anchorage.
Bring anything up that you're going to leave behind, sell, give away. Any alcohol or tobacco on board. Firearms or weapons. Cannabis product. Currency equal to or greater than $10,000 Canadian. Any prohibited items, pepper sprays, mace, stun gun, taser, brass knuckles, switchblades. You guys have a good trip up there.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Well, we're not returning to the U.S., so I guess I'll go this way. I wasn't really sure what to make of the border crossing there. We're on a bunch of Facebook groups of people that are going to Alaska, and I saw like some people saying like their RV got searched and they took their fresh meat they had in their fridge or their eggs. So I wasn't really sure.
You didn't even ask about that.
No, so it seemed like that was pretty easy. So off we go into Canada.
Dun, dun, dun. Looks pretty much the same as Montana. Let me check if it's any cooler. No, not really. What do you think? Is it cooler?
A tiny hair, not much.
How come you waited till the hottest day to do this?
Because it bothered me the most today when we were driving.
Yeah. What did you find when you were looking under there?
Found a spare part. So it's kind of making this weird rattle right now. So I was digging around and I found this. I thought maybe it goes to like the manifold. It doesn't seem to. So frankly, I'm not sure where the heck this goes, but it goes somewhere. So I need to figure it out. Or pay someone else to figure it out.
Hey, Stephen Noel. Well, I'm Noel. Steve's behind the camera this time. Guess where we are? We are in Dawson Creek, British Columbia at mile 0 of the Alaskan Highway. It took us about a week and a half, and I don't know how many miles, 1,000 or so miles to get to mile 0, but here we are. We are going to spend the summer up in Alaska, do a little fishing with our son and his boys, and see our daughter and her family. So, let's go. What do you got to say?
Sitting on the side of the hill. 6:30 on a Saturday night.
Where are you?
We are on the Alcan, and it's very smoky.
It is. British Columbia is on fire.
We have been keeping our eyes peeled for moose, elk.
Horses, wild horses, we saw a sign.
I saw a sign for that, as well as grizzly and black bears. So,
And how many have we seen?
we've seen a lot of signs so far. A lot of signs. But I'm confident something good will come our way.
It will. Right now, we're waiting on road construction.
See, that was my nice and polite and all of that. You know, really, what I'm thinking is, what the 6:30 on a Saturday night? We're sitting here on the side of the fucking
Oh,
road.
they just started their car, I think.
Oh, okay. There we go. See, a little cursing. It helps. We've been playing this game called What Does That Canadian Sign Mean? There's been a few that we've just been like, I don't know what the heck that means. You Canucks, you guys are crazy. Just
It's like
crazy.
Pictionary.
Pictionary with our lives on the line.
Roadside Pictionary.
Yeah. Roadside Pictionary at high speed.
Yeah.
Speaking of high speed, we're playing another fun game here. Our kilometers on our speedometer, it's kind of hard to see. So I'm tending to look at our Garmin. And our Garmin tells us the speed that we're traveling at. And then I'm looking at Noelle's phone where we have an app open.
A Google Map.
Google Map, and that tells us how fast we're actually going.
No, that
tells us the speed limit. Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Because our Garmin doesn't even know we're driving on a damn road.
I know.
We need to update it.
Garmin's lost.
It's only good for the speed.
Yeah.
Here you go, down the mountainside. Watson Lake into Yukon territories.
What should we not miss?
Not much.